Mop, vacuum, and scrub, but if you want to kill all the germs in your house, Linda Cobb, the queen of clean, is making sure you take these 3 secretly skeezy items to task.
It's the stuff that you don't think about, that you don't see every day, that's dirty.
We had Legend Technical Services test each item to see just how dirty they really are. Number 1, the ice maker.
When was the last time you cleaned the ice maker?
Never.
Okay, usually it's got dirt and pet hair and mold and mildew.
We got lucky. There were 10 colonies of bacteria growing in our sample from our ice maker. Horror stories of up to 2,000 colonies have been reported.
We're not spraying Windex up there.
No, this is 100% natural. It's white vinegar. You eat that on a salad. And it's hydrogen peroxide that you use on cuts.
Once a month, spray a room temperature ice maker with the vinegar and then peroxide to kill E. coli better than chlorine bleach.
And you don't even have to rinse afterwards. It's safe and it's natural.
Number 2, the remote.
There's usually more bacteria on it than is on your toilet seat.
Studies show hotel room remotes have, on average, 68 bacterial colonies. Ours tested at 200.
Okay, so how do you clean this thing?
So easy. Listerine mouthwash.
No way.
Once a week, put a little on a paper towel. Go over the buttons and follow with a Listerine dip swab to kill viruses like strep. Number 3, the trash can lid.
So when you take out the trash, you think you're taking out the filth, but really, I see it's still right here.
Trash can liners can leak, but everything you throw in there comes in contact with the lid.
The place you need to clean it every time you empty it is right here, because this is where all the food gets on.
Something as filthy as your toilet handle can have 36 bacterial colonies on it. Our trash can lid had 40.
Once a week, you really do need to clean the trash can. And let's not forget the recycling can, too.
Disinfect the lid with wipes every time you take out the trash. And rubbing alcohol for the containers once a week is all you need.
Well, now cleaning up my act is on the top of my to-do list.
Great.